Upscale your planogramming experience with our new Nexgen POG. Come on, let's create a planogram using Nexgen POG. Some of the benefits in our platform are: huge cost benefit. It's a cloud-based software. Unlimited licensing plan. Bulk upload of images. Secure online sharing with a single click. Multi-device and browser compatibility. Customizable templates. Automated planogram rules. Compatibility with other planogram files. Custom analytic reports. Click and post compliance. Product group. You can now create your free POG account by filling the details in our website and start creating your planograms. Log in to Nexgen POG with your username and password. Once you are logged in, it will open to a home screen having menus with the following features: Home, My Planograms, Merchandising Standards, Subscribe Now. You can access different features from settings like Product Library, Product Group, the Image Bulk Upload, the Sales Data Upload option to upload sales data in bulk, the Product Data Upload. You can view the list of merchandising standards here. Product Data Upload allows you to create your product library. Clicking on the product file template will download an Excel sheet with options to enter product specifications. Once these fields are filled, the file can be uploaded directly to the library by clicking on the Select File button. Products can be added individually by entering various information that is unique to the product. The Sales Data Upload option allows the user to upload sales data in bulk. Click on the Sales Data File template to download an Excel sheet with options to enter sales specifications of all planograms. Once these fields are filled, the file can be uploaded directly to the library by clicking on the Select File button. Product library contains all the products that are added so far. Add new products and upload images here. The mandatory fields include UPC, product name, category, manufacturer, brand and dimensions along with the image. By clicking on the new planogram button, you can start creating your planogram right from the home screen itself. You will now be prompted to follow a few self-explanatory steps. Clicking on the new planogram button opens a new window with the options to select the planogram type. Select planogram type you want to create from the drop-down menu. Click on the Next button to continue. After selecting the required planogram type, you will be prompted to set up the planogram configuration. You can either start creating planograms from the existing templates or define your own custom dimensions. Choose the required planogram configuration, and give a suitable name for the planogram. Select the appropriate folder and click on the Create button to start creating the planogram. You will be taken to the Planogram Designer screen. Planogram Designer is where you can design and edit your planograms. The top toolbar and side toolbar of the Designer screen has the various functionalities. Start designing your planogram by selecting the products for your product bin. You can either select products by clicking on the Add to Bin, or you can import an already created product bin by clicking on the Import Bin. Clicking Add to Bin will open up a window where a category/product can be searched. For a more precise result, you can click on Show Advanced Search to open additional search fields. The search result displays all products of that category, and by selecting Add Selected Products to Bin, they can be added to the bin. Once the products are imported to the bin, products can be added on the shelf. The top right corner Options in Product Bin section helps to view the products in different modes such as brand, manufacturer, category, subcategory, segment and size. Once the product bin is ready, you can start designing your planogram by simply dragging and dropping products to their corresponding shelves. Right-click on the product to open a contextual menu with various functions, or you can use the Tools menu to get easy access to do the actions. Use Add Facings, More Facing to add more horizontal and vertical facings. Shelf and Section to add more shelf and section. Spread your product evenly with Spread Even function. Align products to left or right side of the shelf using Align Left and Align Right functions. You can add or remove shelf or section anytime using Add or Remove Shelf or Section options. Apply product color to apply the given product color. Properties and More has other options like Squeeze Factor, Auto Correct and Mirror Products. The bottom menu allows viewing the planogram in different modes by selecting the options like the image, label, dimensions, and warnings. The shelf can be viewed based on the UPC, product name, brand, manufacturer, package type, size or category, subcategory and more. After creating your planogram, make sure you save your planogram. The PDF option allows you to export the planogram in PDF format. Click on the image option to download the planogram as image. The XML tab allows you to export the planogram to XML format. You can generate different types of reports like capacity, space and sales analysis using the Reports option. With Visual Analysis feature, planograms can be reviewed in different color schemes based on various modes like brand, manufacturer, size or package, etc. Custom labels can be easily created by choosing Labels option. Compliance feature will help the executive staff to raise tickets regarding any deviation on the actual execution. You can select the section and the product that is out of compliance from the pop-up window and upload your image. Your compliance ticket is raised. Autofill rule allows the user to create preset rules for automated filling. Click on the New Autofill Rule button to create new rule. Give a suitable name and description for the rule. Click on the Add Conditions tab corresponding to the rule to add filters on which the user need to create the rule, the number and order of the facing. The rules can be based on any combination of conditions with respect to any product attribute. You can create your product groups template by adding the required products. User can edit and delete a rule anytime. After creating the rule and product group, use the autofill option and select the rule and product group to apply the rule on your planogram. You can also generate rules using previous sales data based on your days of supply. Nexgen POG allows the user to import the planogram files created on other systems. User need to select the source file format and target folder to which the user need to save the planogram. The select file allows the user to import the file from your desktop, laptop, tab, mobile. My Planogram section contains list of created planograms. User can create a new planogram by clicking on the New tab. User can move, copy, merge, delete, swap, web share, export to PDF or export to Excel the created planograms by clicking on the corresponding tab on the top toolbar. You can always get help using Need Help. From the Subscribe Now option you can choose your plan. For more details, you can always contact us at pogsupport@nexgenus.com. Why wait? Start designing your planograms with Nexgen POG.